How to make page numbers Roman numerals in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format page numbers as a Roman numerals in the Google Docs. It's super easy, so stick around until the end to follow these steps. So first is to open the Google Docs. As you can see, I already have a document with several pages ready to go. And now to add Roman numeral page numbers, we'll start by inserting regular page numbers, and here is how you can do it. So simply select the insert at the top menu, and from the menu that pops up, simply click on the page numbers. And you can choose the style you prefer. For this video, I'll choose this one, and now you can see the page number appearing, but they are in the standard numeric format. Now let's change them to the Roman numbers. To do that, simply highlight the page number you want to change and go back to insert. This time select special characters. Now here we can see different special characters. For this video, we're gonna need the Roman number. So in the search bar, type Roman and you will see all the Roman numeral option appearing. Simply select the Roman numeral for your page, like I for 1, II for 2, and so on. And you probably have to repeat this process for each page to update the numbers manually. Just select next number and search for its Roman numeral and simply replace it. And that's it. Now you have successfully added Roman numeral page numbers to your Google Docs. This is great for formal documents or special projects. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.